the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss a video from SnG Comedy. Hello everybody, welcome to the big question with SnG Comedy. My name is Karan.
I'm Varun.
I'm Neville.
And we have with us
Zakir Khan.
Zakir Khan, Sak Londa, Zakir Khan, Zakir. Thank you for
coming on, man.
Thank you, Zakir, for coming on.
Hi.
Okay, so the topic for today, we were trying to discuss what do we talk about, and
Yes.
we just came to the conclusion that we all love cricket, but for some reason cricket sucks nowadays. Is what he thinks. So our topic for today is why does cricket suck?
Nowadays.
Okay,
Yeah.
I don't think cricket sucks. Do you think cricket sucks nowadays?
I think we've gotten bored of it. I think that's the
तुम्हें
point.
क्या लगता है does cricket
नहीं
suck?
I think हमारी उम्र ज्यादा बढ़ रही है
हाँ, exactly.
अच्छा.
हाँ ना तो
Exactly.
क्या हुआ कि अब यार अब हम कैसे फैन हो सकते हैं किसी केएल राहुल के जो खुद हमसे 5 साल 7 साल छोटे ना एक आप एडमायर करते हो आप सचिन को कि बड़ा है क्योंकि आपसे जिंदगी में जो आगे निकल गया तो आप ये अपने आप कहते हो कि वो बड़ा है इसलिए आगे निकल गया ठीक है अब जो बच्चे आ रहे हैं वो छोटे हैं और आगे निकल रहे हैं तो थोड़ा खराब तो लगता ही है
This is true.
That's true.
No, but I think the problem is that when I was like 15 years old or whatever, I saw 96 World Cup.
Correct.
And उसमें था that Venkatesh Prasad moment, the Ajay Jadeja moment. These are
The calmly crying moment.
Yeah.
But thing is,
My parents fighting moment.
yeah,
What?
Yeah.
Why were
Why?
your parents fighting?
My parents fought because India lost the semi-final.
Semi-final.
Achha.
So my dad got fried.
Okay.
My dad got fried. He said something to my mom. My mom got even more fried. Like, why the hell are you taking out India's frustration on me? And then they
Hilarious.
both fought. So
Middle
I
class
remember
problem.
96 World Cup for altogether different reasons. And
Middle class problem.
I was very young. I was I think 9 or something, and I cried for the first time for something which was not related to me. मतलब वो ऐसा moment हुआ कि यार इंडिया क्यों हार गई?
हाँ, मुझे तो समझ नहीं आया. I was like, why?
Yeah.
And especially after the quarterfinals.
हाँ,
Where you
Pakistan
raise
के
your
साथ-
expectations
Yeah.
so high. You're like,
Okay,
अभी
so
इसके बाद हार
what do
नहीं
you think
सकते.
it was? It fixed?
No, man.
way, man. No way.
No.
See,
No way. See, there's
nobody
nothing
says
you
it.
can fix in cricket that will let Ajay Jadeja hit you for a one-handed six.
Yeah.
You can't fix this no matter how much you try.
And also, I think when you can only fix to lose. You can't fix to win because
And
fixing-
we lost, no?
No, but that's the thing. So you're saying India took money to lose.
That's what is it fixed? I'm asking.
I would say
मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि आप मैच फिक्स कर सकते हो लेकिन जो बोतलें फेंकी गई वो तो फिक्स तो ऐसा नहीं है चुतियाब हमारी तरफ से भी काफी ज्यादा था
नहीं लेकिन ओके ग्रोइंग अप योर फेवरेट क्रिकेटिंग मोमेंट जो तुम्हें इमीडिएटली याद आता है.
यार 2 मोमेंट है मेरे जो सबसे फेवरेट है. एक तो वो शायद एशिया कप था जब बांग्लादेश में सौरव गांगुली खेल रहा था 315 रन बनाने थे और ऋषिकेश कनेक्टर ने 2 बॉल पे 3 रन चाहिए थे और चौका मारा. उस एक चौका के चक्कर में वो 1.5 साल खेला.
एक मिनट वो बांग्लादेश था पाकिस्तान था उसने पाकिस्तान
नहीं
को मारा था ना?
पाकिस्तान को हराया था पर वो मैच बांग्लादेश में था.
हाँ करेक्ट
हाँ.
हराया पाकिस्तान
हाँ,
में
हराया
सबने
को
उस्ताद
पाकिस्तान
bowling
में.
करा था.
हाँ, ये
Correct, I remember. और
तो दूसरा है यार नेटवेस्ट सीरीज जो युवराज और मोहम्मद कैफ ने.
मैं सच बात बताऊं जब वो हो रहा था ना तो हम लोग घर पे बैठ के देख रहे थे ठीक है
हाँ.
और फिर सचिन आउट हो गया. रोनी ईरानी के बोले सचिन आउट हो गया अभी यूजुअल ना अरे फक इट अभी तो कुछ नहीं है वो. और मेरी पूरी फैमिली जो घर पे थी हम लोग देवदास देखने चले गए. बोला फक इट इंडिया हार गया देवदास देखने चले गए. उधर बैठ के देख रहा हूँ फ्राई हो गया देवदास देखे ऐ करके बाहर आया. घर पे आके क्रिक इन्फो चेक किया इंडिया विंस. मैं अंदर से इतना रोया बिकॉज़ आई वाज जस्ट लाइक फक आई लेफ्ट दिस टू वॉच गो शाहरुख ओवर
Dude, you know what? Interestingly, मोहम्मद कैफ की फैमिली का स्टोरी भी सेम ही है.
उन्होंने बंद कर दिया था.
उन्होंने बंद कर दिया कि यार कुछ नहीं होना ये वो था. एक मैच में तो खेला देख ही लेते कम से कम.
मतलब खुद के बेटे में फेथ नहीं है.
लेकिन मोहम्मद कैफ का ये एक सीन है कि वो हर साल में एक कुछ इनिंग खेल लेता था जिसका ऐसे पूरा साल
खेलता था.
पाकिस्तान में
so
उसने
many like that.
Yeah, Azhar was like that. Jadeja was like
Debashish
that.
Mohanty only played the Sahara Cup because he
वो
bowled
दोनों
like-
हाँ
That's it.
वो
That's
एक्चुअली
all that Debashish
ब्रेस्ट स्ट्रोक
Mohanty
करता था.
We always have this one bowler with weird.
ये वो-
like जैसे अभी भी आशीष नेहरा मेरे को समझ में मकोड़ा है क्या यार कैसा अजीब सा भाग के.
नहीं बट लेकिन वो चाहिए वो कंफ्यूज करने के लिए. लेकिन तेरा क्या है फेवरेट
There
क्रिकेट?
are too many. So I quickly
ठीक है,
get it.
एक बोल.
Okay, Sachin Tendulkar getting Moin Khan out on the last
Last
ball.
ball.
With a googly,
Yeah.
right?
That
ball
that
took like three
that was
turns
that
and-
was
Yeah, I
insane.
remember that.
Kiran More and
Javed Miandar,
jumping.
92 World Cup.
That was a moment.
And Venkatesh Prasad.
Venkatesh Prasad Amritsar.
KD
I
yours?
think my first realization of cricket was that catch Jadeja took in 92 World Cup. I was very, very small and my grandmother was
Shit, I
watching
was
it.
5.
Yeah, and I saw Jadeja run and then taking diving catch.
catch.
And it's the first time an Indian
that
had I was like,
after Eknath Solkar, like nobody.
इतना सोलकर slipped.
no.
उसके पास spikes नहीं थे वो time पे तो ground
No,
पे वो उसने पकड़ लिया.
so for me, I was like, what, Indians can dive also? Like, it was not a realization. You know, 'cause back then used to be an ad. एक washing powder का ad होता था. Dive, Baba, dive. हाँ, where time Indian.
Karan, your memory is so vague, dude. You're so old. Like, I work in advertising. I don't remember.
We'll do a whole new
But
episode.
speaking about diving catches, Adam Barker catching Sachin Tendulkar.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That
what
wasn't
a catch.
Adam Barker. Yeah, it was Adam Barker.
I don't remember this. When did this
वो
happen?
बाउंड्री पे और सचिन भी ऐसा
बस सचिन
2 मिनट
Bro, सचिन 169 पे अकेला खेल के फॉलो ऑन बचा के इंडिया को लेके आया है, ठीक है.
लाइक एवरी डे
9 विकेट गिर गए. सचिन बैटिंग कर रहा है. ब्रायन मैकमिलन ने बॉल
McMillan
डाला,
बोला.
बाउंसर पे मारा उसने. और एडम बाकर ने उसके पीछे था 2 फुट.
अच्छा,
so and he's already Nata, so this fellow has run this much, then dived this much and caught it like
backwards.
this or something.
Sachin has had
Shit,
the most
yeah.
like unfortunate run outs. He got LBW when the ball hit his like chest or something once, right?
Yeah.
so short.
Many times.
But you know, one of my favorite, obviously, but India ended up being on the losing side, but still Sachin killed, obviously. He when he had that back spasm, he was playing against not Sharjah. Sharjah तो obviously greatest moment है, but he was the test match was against Pakistan.
Oh shit! I was just about to.
265 to win था और सचिन बैटिंग कर रहे हैं. आगे वेंकटेश प्रसाद ये वो सब लोग आके सब आउट हो गए चले. And this guy is just going for it, dude. He has severe like his back is fucked.
India lost by 15 runs.
Yeah, I remember that.
6 runs.
Oh shit!
end
Yeah.
में,
15 runs पे वो out हुआ था.
हाँ, वो out हो गया.
Shit, yeah. बहुत खराब match.
So I remember like also before I get to my second moment, I had this idea that when Tendulkar used to get out in the 90s, there used to be a sound in India, click, mass click, all the TVs, click, 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 like almost like a domino effect, right?
Yeah.
But I have to get back to my second favorite moment was, okay, I was in the US and I had bought pay-per-view for the World Cup 2007 T20, okay? T20 is a new thing. And I paid $150 for it. And at that point, I was a bartender, man. That was a lot of money for me.
Some tips ka
There was a lot of money. But I was like, you know what? Dekhna hai. And I was sitting by myself and I was watching India versus England. And
sad, Karan.
UV, alone. Damn sad. And UV hit 6 sixes, right?
Oh, yeah.
And it was
that
and I'm watching it and I'm looking around. Koi nahi hai yaar, koi nahi hai bolne ke liye.
6 is amazing.
And all the white people are like, hey, some guy hit 6 sixes. They're like, what does that mean? And they had no context. So I was like, that is my favorite moment because I really wanted to yell at people.
And that being said, you were in America. I was in Bombay, and my childhood friend and I are sitting at this bar called Shankari, okay, which is your typical quarter bar. Right?
Everybody in Warsaw knows Shankari.
So we just used to go and sit and drink there. And it's a shady bar type. And then Yuvraj 6 mara. Then everybody sort of gets up and goes towards the TV which is in the corner. Now it's anyway smelling sweat. People are coming.
Plus alcohol.
दूसरा 6 मारा तो नीचे वाले पब्लिक भी ऊपर आ गए सब देखने के लिए. तीसरा 6 मारा तो वेटर माँ की वो भी आया. 4th पे शेफ कुक जो अन्ना बैठता है, dude, that whole place was packed and everyone's waiting कि अभी last 6 मारेगा, and then he hit a 6, dude.
Pagal.
All the dudes are just like, hey. Don't
By the way, but one
chef.
thing, what's really surprising is none of us have spoken about the World Cup that Dhoni won for us.
Wait,
As our favorite moment. No, as our favorite moments, dude.
But
Come
like
on.
winning the World Cup is like across the board.
See, we needed like 4 runs and 14 balls. तो उसमें मतलब it is done deal.
11 बॉल पे लास्ट 6 मारा
not
था.
like लास्ट बॉल पे जीता ऐसा कुछ
बिल्कुल एकदम ऐसे गले
Misbahul
पे आ गया.
Haq getting caught by Srisant.
ओहो वो यार वो तो मैच मतलब मेरे को एक पॉइंट पे ऐसा लगा क्यों क्या हुआ कि वो कहीं भी मार रहा था. वो कौन है उनका वो यार कचरा सोहेल तनवीर वो यार कहीं भी मार रहा था और कहीं भी लग रही थी यार. घर में हम लोग सब देख रहे मतलब कि ये वो कर रहा है
क्या हो रहा है. But you know, there's this movie Laksh, you know, उसमें ओमपुरी का एक डायलॉग है, राइट, कि पाकिस्तानी है ना तो उठ के फिर से वापस आता है. It's applicable to every time India and Pakistan have played. Just when you think Pakistan is losing it, एक कोई फक्कॉल बैट्समैन आएगा और आके सडनली आके
उस मैच में ना 52 रन चाहिए थे 21 बॉल्स पे फाइनल में पाकिस्तान को. तो अपन तो काफी चिल की इतने तो थोड़ी बनते हैं यार. अबे हो गया है अभी, ठीक है. पर वो तो वो चिल सीन हो गया ना कि अब तो जीत गया कोई नहीं है, अब तो कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. और लास्ट में यार और किसी का ओवर नहीं बचा. जोगिंदर शर्मा मतलब उस आदमी ने
मतलब ये धोनी का I don't know if it's
how he does it, dude.
fucking amazing move or just matka, because
ये मटका है
Joginder Singh.
I would go bowl myself. I would never have any sort of trust.
By the way,
in
Joginder Singh
Sharma.
right today is a
Police
officer in Punjab.
yeah.
He didn't even get an IPL contract after that. I mean, he won the World Cup.
तुक्का, dude.
वही तो पता है, everyone knows that यार.
But how does someone like Joginder Sharma even make it? When I saw him in the
यार
lineup,
if Rishikesh character can make it, then Joginder Sharma can also
अरे
make
लेकिन
it.
ऋषिकेश character फिर भी यार थोड़ा कुछ बैटिंग
अरे
करते हैं.
1.5 साल खेला, कुछ नहीं किया वो अपनी जिंदगी में.
But we had Ajit Agarkar also. Ajit Agarkar.
No, Ajit fastest 50 wickets. That's what
slow-
we know about him. The only thing.
The next 50 took 5 years.
But also the problem with Ajit Agarkar was 5 great balls, and then the last ball you would go
out. Always. Okay, now apart from Indian players, who is your favorite player growing up?
You know who's the best? I think-
Outside of India.
But the best player ever, I think, is Jacques Kallis.
Jacques Kallis.
Because he's got the average of Tendulkar and the bowling average of Zakir Khan. In one guy. There's one guy.
And he fields also.
and he
First
fields.
slip.
The only problem with him is that he's South African, not Indian. If he was Indian, there would be a temple devoted to him right
For
now.
sure.
Correct.
For sure.
So I think Jacques Kallis is the
Jack
guy.
Ellis for you.
Yeah, I think mainly Sanat Jayasuriya and De Silva. Yeah, these two players. When they used to
ये
play.
अभी तक 96 का बुखार है.
यार, when they used to.
वर्ल्ड कप में तो क्या खेला
No, but do you remember one of the biggest rumors about Sanat Jayasuriya कि उसके बैट में
Iron plate.
So we've believed it. We've gone into अरे जयसूर्या चूतिया उसके बैट में ना लोखंड है इसलिए जा रहा है दूर दूर.
स्प्रिंग डाला उसने बैट में स्प्रिंग डाला
स्प्रिंग डाला हुआ है
कि
तो
ball
टच
के
भी
bounce-
करता है तो छक्का जाता है. बैट में स्पिन कैसे डलेगा?
But I feel bad, you know, for like people like Aksanka Gurusinghe, Romesh Kaluetrana in that team. Because come on, yeah, you have Sanat Jayasuriya. Then
But
you have
that holds true for any team.
Arvind Das-
You will always have big players. और पता है मतलब वो लोग जब खेल रहे होते थे ना तो मेरे को इतना हेल्पलेस फीलिंग आती थी. मतलब उसमें बचपन में आप हेल्पलेस फील कर रहे हो तो बुरा क्या कि ये कैसे आउट होंगे, ये तो कभी नहीं आउट होने वाला.
But I have a question, guys. You know, when I
For
was
me, it was Brian McMillan, I think. Brian McMillan was
Dude,
great. Alan Donald.
My sister had a huge crush on that guy for some reason. I don't know why. I don't know.
If you look at him really carefully, he looks like Jeff Daniels.
He does. He does. He
Like
actually
a
looks-
Hulk version
I
of
don't
Jeff
know.
Daniels, Brian McMillan,
I
same
don't know
guy.
Jeff Daniels. I don't know Brian McMillan.
So Zakir, so in the 90s when India used to like lose a wicket or something bad would happen, I would feel it. Like you know, I would feel the pressure.
अंदर gut में.
But today अगर कुछ हुआ, I don't seem to.
They're like, fuck, yeah, cigarette pina.
हाँ, like I'm like,
But
ठीक है,
you know, you were younger. You were more like into the whole thing. You wanted to
It's
watch.
more of the naiveness of the.
But also,
age
no, one second.
also
I think
age.
football has taken over cricket.
No,
in
but
some
but,
ways.
but what is it?
Nahin.
I think you know what it is.
No, but I'll always be more passionate about cricket any day. Like
Best,
football, but cricket.
best opening batsman duo.
Hey,
according
why
to
does
you.
cricket suck is the question of the day,
Yeah.
right?
But
Yeah.
clearly we are not gone.
We
there.
are not
We're just
gone.
like jizzing all over the place.
we
We
just
have
changed the
changed
name. We
yeah.
changed the name. Why do we love cricket so much apparently?
Best opening batsman couple. Best opening batsman
Kapil,
duo.
Adam Gilchrist and Matthew Hayden.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, wow. Oh, wow. That's a good pick.
Dude,
I
it
would
is
say
fucking-
Gordon Greenidge and the guy who opened
Yeah, my
them.
dad would say the same thing.
I think Sachin and Sehwag.
forgot.
For
Sachin and Sehwag. From me,
Yeah.
Amir Sohail, Saeed Anwar.
Hey,
Oh, I
जा
thought you were
Pakistan, जा दो Pakistan.
Go to Pakistan. No, but I thought you were saying non-Indian.
I haven't seen these guys. I haven't heard about them. Yeah.
But here's the thing, you know, when Amir Sohail became a commentator, right? Like you always know Amir Sohail is speaking because no matter what he was trying to say, his first two words would be "and Pakistan." That sentence would always start, no
That's
matter what
spot
he
on.
say.
That's spot on.
And
Yeah,
Pakistan is on 25 runs, you know, whatever. But it's all and Pakistan.
Do you remember that match where Amir Sohail नहीं सईद अनवर ने बहुत सारे रन बनाए थे कुछ
194 highest score था इंडिया के अगेंस्ट
इंडिया के अगेंस्ट वो मैच था. मैं अहमदाबाद जा रहा था बस में था तो उस टाइम पे हम इतने गरीब होते थे और हमें जीतने की बिल्कुल आदत नहीं होती थी. ठीक है तो उसमें कोई आदमी अगर 30 रन भी बना रहा है तो कमेंटेटर फुल सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं
और ये डाबर च्यवनप्राश चौका.
और देखिए क्या जज्बे के साथ खेल रही है भारत. एक एक इंच लड़ रही है कि मतलब हम तो जीत सकते ही नहीं है मैच वैसे. बाय द वे वो दिनेश मोंगिया से खेले नहीं. नैन मोंगिया से खेलन जरा जडेजा आउट हो रहे हैं सब. हम लोग कह रहे हैं वो क्या जज्बा है. एक बार तो एक साउथ अफ्रीका का मैच जितवाया था अनिल कुंबले और
जावेद श्रीनाथ.
और उसमें तो मॉम वो तो प्रॉपर टीवी शो
हाँ, वो तो
अच्छे से किया था.
माँ के पैरों में छक्का.
और दोनों ऐसे आंटी लोग ये कर रहे हैं कैमरास कटिंग with them.
8 wickets down, right?
Yeah.
8 wickets down
wicket
and they
downs,
won the
yeah.
match at the end.
Titan Cup.
Yeah, I remember that.
All throughout the 90s we've had so many moments that you can just take and make into a movie.
Correct.
And you know they can't be scripted, like giving the last over to Sachin after he scored 5 runs in the game.
Correct.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
and he's done nothing else. And you give him the ball and he goes and wins it. But
Yeah.
you can't script anything better than that. Like no
That
Bollywood
Amir Sohail,
script
Venkatesh
writer.
Prasad. I've never seen Venkatesh Prasad aggro except for that moment.
I have
Before or after.
Chal,
I
Venkatesh
haven't
Prasad
seen it.
still I can understand, but Venkatpati Raju also shows up because everyone comes to Venkatesh Prasad कि अरे क्या हुआ क्या बोला तो सिद्धू आता है और उसके पीछे Venkatpati Raju is coming like this.
But That was Venkatpati Raju. But Venkatpati Raju, before he bowled, also only did this. No, he would only do this. So he wasn't aggro.
But
He would just
as a cricket team, we are more aggressive now. Like,
But I think that happened after Saurav Ganguly. I think Saurav Ganguly
definitely.
brought that in for
for
us.
sure.
No, I think
Because before that, we used to have that shitty, stupid silly mid-on for Javagal Srinath who's bowling like this.
No.
In every test match, we would have a silly mid-on standing there for nothing.
You know,
kabhi jata nahi
so
tha.
I read John Wright's book, Indian Summers. It's a great. If you're an Indian cricket fan, please watch read that book. Super book.
Let's talk about that incident from the book only, na, where John Wright is like when he took over. No, was it John Wright or Greg Chappell?
It is John Wright. So John Wright, pehla din, okay, he's first month in office. He's gone to the stadium and the players come. The bus आती है, okay? Ganguly, Tendulkar आते हैं and they're walking in, okay? Bag कोई और ले रहा है. There's some
They're
coolie-
chotus. They're
there's some
chotus
chotus
walking
there.
with the
जैसे
bag.
वो bag लेते हैं and then they all sit down. अच्छा चलो training start करो. नहीं sir, अभी चाय और कॉफी का time है. So they sit down and चाय बिस्किट हो रहा है. He said in the book he says it took him 60 days, 2 months just to get them out of the habit to pick their own bags, take them to the locker and do rounds and eat the chai पहले. So now, can you imagine the Indian team? मतलब chai. So from 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock, they're sitting around.
I've heard this.
तो यार.
Okay, I've heard this story about Saurav, okay? That Saurav Ganguly once was playing a Ranji game or something like that, and he came late, okay? to the so he's not warmed up, nothing, okay? And he had to go 2 down or something like that for the game. And he was really hungry. So he sent one more batsman. So he said, I'll go 3 down. So in the meantime, he buzzed out like 2 biryanis. Okay. He ate 2 biryanis or something in Calcutta and went and batted, scored some 70-80 runs or something.
But I think that our players are conditioned differently. Like I almost imagine that every time Sehwag is batting and when there's a lunch break, no, he goes and has a buffet somewhere.
Yeah.
Vanilla ice cream.
Bhaji, अरे sweet में क्या है? You know, he's one of those guys. पेलता है खाना कुल्फी वुल्फी और उसके बाद जाके बैटिंग कर रहा है.
वापस हाँ.
Because you've seen those videos, right? Where he's batting and he's singing some Mohammed Rafi song. But I think that's how they function. Like these guys are not.
But
they don't.
also, I think the reason why our fast bowlers have always never had been fast. Where
कोई
Venkatesh
chicken
Prasad
खाता नहीं
was
है, bro.
No meat.
Only Zakir Khan. Only
Yeah.
Zakir Khan is going to have chicken. उसके अलावा
यार
कोई नहीं.
मेरे को
Bhuvi, Shami, they all eat meat. Chupe.
Okay, listen to me.
Dude, Bhuvi only eats paneer.
Venkatesh Prasad was a fast bowler. His most lethal delivery was the slower one. Okay,
Slow leg cutter.
slower one. It would bounce and go.
No, see now you're right. I think what's happened. I think it's Virat Kohli. I think Virat Kohli is what he's become the poster boy. The first time a poster boy who's a brilliant fielder. उसके पहले था I would say
Yuvraj Singh
first poster boy who
Azhar was a good fielder.
Yuvraj Singh,
Azhar was a great
you know, Yuvraj Singh was a natural born fielder. The problem with Yuvraj is in his late 20s he got damn fat. He got damn
also
fat.
fucking cancer and shit, dude.
No,
Yeah,
उसके पहले.
No, but
उसके
I'm
पहले.
saying there was Azhar was a great fielder. We've always had that one guy who would
उसका
field
नाम
well
मत ले.
जिसके अंदर लेता था.
देशद्रोही है वो.
What?
Azhar.
Okay, Imran Hashmi, calm down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Azhar is a traitor because I watched so many matches where India lost and Azhar played like shit. As a kid I was like क्यों ऐसा लला catch क्यों दिया? And now I realize सब
ऐसा ललाज क्या है?
Lala catch.
Lala
Okay,
catch.
we need to end this podcast.
Yeah,
So,
ठीक है. Yeah,
Why?
you know,
It's getting interesting now.
Closing words from
Closing one also.
from
I mean, we
Zakir.
started off the topic as why does cricket suck? Clearly, it doesn't. I mean,
Yeah.
cricket is great when thought about in nostalgia.
Yeah.
But that was it from our podcast. Thank you, Zakir,
Thank
for
you,
joining
Zakir.
us.
Okay.
पर अगला
All right.
सख्ती
Thank you
से
guys.
करेंगे,
Thank
ठीक
you
है?
everyone.
Done. Thank
Second
you so much,
camera
guys, for joining
is-
us.
Suddenly you'll be seeing different cuts.